Go on.
Good morning to all.
Good morning.
Today we have been given a debate topic, that is government hospital versus private hospitals. My name is Sochis Kes. I am from Darbhanga, Bihar, and I am in favor of private hospitals.
Hi, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
My name is Shushant and I'm from Katalwari. I'm in favor of government hospitals.
And good morning to you all.
Good morning.
I am Jadev Ranade. I am from Hyderabad here only, and I am neither in a favor of private nor in a favor of government hospital. I am in a favor of both, giving the equal opportunity to all the citizens of the state. And here we three of us will discuss which one would be better, whether private players should enter into the government hospital or not, or government allocate more fund to the government hospital, or equally, or government should have a regulation on the private hospitals. Now, start. Kittu will start.
So first, I would like to mention some benefits of private hospitals. If we talk about, especially in India, it pays a bit more charges as compared to government hospitals. But if we talk about the facilities, the equipments, the doctors, the etiquettes, sanitization, everything are very good, very well maintained there. So, on in general, if a person is in emergency, he generally prefers to go to a private hospital because he thinks that if he goes to a government hospital, he may die. Okay. Now, why I am preferring private hospital? It means there is some flaws in government hospitals, some functioning. So the main reason is it is cheaper in price, it is good. But apart from it, there are so many flaws. Like if we talk about sanitization, in hospitals situation or organization, sanitization is very important. Being clean, making a clean hospital, good environment is very important for a patient. But there is no facility of sanitization. If we talk about the equipments that are required, it is not there. The doctors, I know they are well qualified, they are government certified doctors, but they are not doing well their job. Even they have to come only 1 or 2 days in a week, but they don't go, they just open their own clinic and try to earn more and more money. So these are the conditions that I can compare with both the hospital systems, and I prefer more as to the private hospitals.
If you say the sanitization system of government hospitals, right now you will see that the government hospitals are changing too. So their sanitization system is getting better, except that there are government certified doctors and who are rank holders. They have been well trained. So they work with proper efficiency and efficacy rather than a private hospital doctors. Yes, they are too well qualified, but the problem is money. The government hospital is cheaper. People or the people who do not even earn money, they can afford it. But anyone who earn even they are not up to the mark, then they cannot afford a private hospital. When you go to a private hospital, you will see that they are charging a lot on medications, and the apparatus they have bought, those are expensive, so they are charging more. Except those things, you will see that if you are saying that they are charging a bit more, okay, those hospitals are very less in numbers, they are charging bit more just because they do not have a lot of apparatus that can help people in every situation. But if they have, they are charging a lot. Like if you say that there are some hospitals in Darbhanga, you might have seen, and if you talk about DMCH, when you go there, you when you meet the doctor, you will see that they are giving you the checkups that are very important for you, not for their pocket. Okay, and it helps you save your money.
And now it is always believed as a player will only exploit people. It is always believed, and government will not provide such facility to the common people. But here I will say that coexistence of private hospital and government hospital are required, and both the hospital can do good for the our society and contribute. When we comes about the fee structure, obviously government have a bar on their own hospital and private player doesn't have, so I'll suggest the government to put some bar or regulate the hospital in better manner. And when we look at the facilities area, yes, it is true that private player or private hospitals giving the good facilities compared to the government hospital, but this is not the failure of the administrative. It is not an administrative failure. It is, I will say, the will which administration doesn't have. So government should also take care in the matter of administration, so that they will function more or do well. And every good research works is done only in the or allowed it only in the government hospital in India. Not private hospital will be allowed to do very good research works, like our premier institute in medical science, AIMS. There is a lot of facilities government provide. Government allocate every year good budget to those institute. Government is increasing. And I'll say that yes, private player is giving the good facility, and even uh, government hospital is serving good. Everyone cannot afford the private hospital in country like India, where 90% people live in under the poverty. Not 90, if I talk about 80% living in the poverty level, below the poverty line. So there is need to exist both the institution, private and the uh, government hospital too. And now Kittu will express.
As my friends mentioned something positive about government hospitals, but if we talk about the government hospital that are improving, let's say an example of AIMS. It is one of the best hospitals in India, and people prefer to go there. But if we talk about rush, there are so many rush there. If you want to take an appointment in AIMS, you will have to book it very earlier. But in case of emergency, can you get an appointment there? There are so many people in line. Why they are in line? Because there are very less AIMS available in India. That's why people have to go to private hospitals, and that's why private hospitals is giving so much facilities. It is taking so much charges. So, as a mid solution, we can say that government can make a collaboration between private hospital as well as government hospitals. Like, if we talk about the prices should be regulated and should be bearable for most of the person. Not everyone. We cannot say for everyone. Even if we talk about a rickshaw cannot afford the prices of private hospital. But at least a person who is employed, he can afford that. So for below poverty line, government should implement some strict laws against the doctors as well as implementation of good facilities in government hospitals. And if we talk about middle class and upper middle class families, if they want to go to private hospitals, government can give some subsidy to the hospitals to buy the equipments and the other things in cheaper price, so that the prices should be less. And apart from
add one more point.
Okay.
The government is providing subsidies, and also like pay yojana, Prime Minister Ayushman Yojana. Through this, government is giving subsidies to the any government hospital, and also impaneled private hospital, where common people visit there and take their medical treatment. Up to the subsidies up to the 5 lakhs government is providing this.
Basically, you two are talking about the privatization of government, what do you say, government hospitals, and
it's
or
not-
the semi-privatization of government hospitals. That there could be both government and private players involved in any hospitals, so that they can provide better what do you say,
Maybe we are talking
better
about
functions and
what should be
privileges.
corrected in both the hospital systems.
I think if you talk about any private hospital, they would not like to have a government
Influence.
interference. Okay, and accept that if there is a collaboration of both, then you will see that one will have the major stake. So if the government will have major stake, it will try to regulate it according to their comfort, and the private player who have invested their money, they would not like to do it, because they would like to want it according to themselves. So because of this playing or the gaming, okay, things will I think decrease or deteriorate, right? So this system cannot be good. I think there should be a great number of government hospitals. People should have options like private hospital. But if you, as you talked about the rush that are in AIMS, yes, because it is in less in number, and people are there are
We
a
have
number
less
of people
population.
who cannot afford some Lilavati Aspatal or Paras. So they go to AIMS, then you will have to wait, and there is emergency system in AIMS.
Yes.
So
There is an emergency
But
system.
what
And
if
there-
there are so many persons
there
on
is-
emergency? Because it is a national institution, so there may be more than the capacity.
So for
I
that
think-
government should come with the concept called Mohalla Clinic. It should be implemented in local areas.
during the time of
So
pandemic.
the problem with Mohalla Clinic is that
A bit.
it is same as PHC. They cannot they can provide you the basic treatment
Yes.
or the
I'm
first
just
aid.
talking about the basic treatment only.
Yes, but the main problem is if you talk about a brain hemorrhage, okay, it cannot be treated in any
No,
Mohalla
no,
Clinic.
no.
Then you will have to go to any private hospital or
Government.
hospital where you can get a proper treatment.
Yes.
Right. So the main problem that he is talking about in any government hospital, if you go there in emergency, people do not take care of it as early as they can. They first go through the paperwork, and they would like to call police if there is something going to happen. But
No, but now rules have been changed. Government
Yes.
is encouraging to treatment first, not the file works first.
that is what
Has
I
been
am
increasing
telling.
for long.
Yes, even
That is
government
the
is
reason.
increasing
That
treatment
is what
first.
I am saying. So
And-
it is changing in
And I'm
government
also
hospitals.
and I'm also emphasizing here that there should not be collaboration between these two. Both should coexist.
Yes.
Both should
should
coexist,
coexist.
so that there should not be a monopoly in the society.
Yes.
There should not be any monopoly in the society, and both will function in their own zone comfortably.
I think
'Cause-
on one condition government should focus, that is about generic medicine. Okay, government should have a dedicated depot or a medicine center in every area who sell generic medicines, so that people don't have to go to the private players and buy their expensive medicines for the same thing that they can buy for 5 rupees. They will have to buy it in a by a private player for 50 or 100 rupees. So I think generic medicines should be over there.
We have talked a lot, but there is something that we haven't talked yet. It is about corruption and the lack of medical colleges, government medical colleges. There are so many private colleges available in India, and most of the students, they just give donation and they take the admission. But as we know, it is not well qualified colleges that we require. If you talk about government medical colleges, they are very less in number. So if we talk about the improvement of government hospitals, there must be uh, some colleges, government colleges in distant areas, like if we talk about Bihar, poor state, and other states too. And there is a problem of corruption.
If you're talking about donation, yes, then you should consider that in any city, the maximum number of private hospitals those are running, you will see that they are the doctors who have come from donations.
Yeah, definitely, yes.
So they cannot provide a better healthcare. So they just want to make money because they have spent a lot of money.
And it is also happening in government hospitals.
I
Like if we
think
talk
government
about,
hospital there is no system of donation.
I'm not talking about means
There is some quota,
government
and
doctors.
there might be some
They are well
quota.
qualified, but still they have their own clinic.
Yes.
Why? Because they want to earn more and more money.
They are earning money, but the problem
They
is
are
people
greedy.
are not satisfied.
Now
Yes.
nowadays they have become greedy.
Yes.
Even in Katwari, you can see 2 or 3 clinics. And if we talk about any specific doctor, he has the work of 2 days in a week, but still he doesn't go there. And if we talk about the money that is required in the improvement of government hospitals, sometimes we listen or we get to know that government is spending a lot of money, but if we talk about the ground reality, it has not been implemented just because of the one thing, that is corruption.
I think I remember one of the speech of Rajiv Gandhi. He said, "If I send 100 rupees from
Yeah.
above, it becomes 1 rupee on ground."
Yeah, definitely.
So
It is like
it is happening. Okay, I'm not saying that it's not happening. People are getting money. The doctors are getting their salaries even if they are not going to the hospitals. So why would they go? Right? So it should be regulated, and the admission should take raids on it and try to comprehend with it.
so. Jadav, as a conclusion, what would you like to mention?
If you look at the our nation as a whole, then South Indian part is well doing in terms of education and hospital facilities, and but not in northern part of the state as doing well. And last year budget 2020, government has passes a bill for cess, health cess on the rich people income tax. So this cess will be used for the aspirational or the backward district to so that there will be a hospital facility in remote area too, and government is allocating a day by day more fund, and for any for doing any institution well, there is also a need of public awareness. So our government should make a public awareness to go to the government, not to discriminate on the basis of the fee charges, but to take care of themselves, and to go regular checkup on the government hospital. And now one more thing I want to say is, both are doing good and contributing to the society, whether it's a government or a private hospital. But for government hospital, if we want to increase number of government hospital, we need a number of doctors, and for that we need a number of medical student, and for that we need a number of medical college. So government alone cannot do this. So government should invite application from private players too, and they should invest money, and both should come with the PPP model, private partnerships model. Both can contribute. This is the only way we can serve our citizens well, I would say. And we cannot discriminate that only private will do and private is. This is all about the awareness and the administrative failure of that institution. We should, government should take bar on this. Thank you.
I think if it happens, then
Khatam?
there will be a mar on it. Okay, so people should I think be aware of their rights in any hospital, either they are public or private, and if they understood it, then they will have a better regulation at any hospital, and whatever if they know about the circumstances, they will spend according to their how do you say will, not according to the charges what a hospital is charging. So I think government hospitals and private hospitals, they both are good, they are doing their job, but the fee structure should be regulated.
I really like the outcomes that you said about both the hospital systems. But as a whole, I would like to mention about the government policies regarding hospital. If we talk about government hospitals, in that field, government must take some strict action regarding making some laws, strict laws, and some organization to keep an eye on it. Is it functioning good or not? Equipments, and the main thing, sanitization. Even nowadays, people are dying just because of less sanitization in government hospitals. Most of the time, we observe this. Even nowadays, if you go DMCH, you will observe there is problem with sanitation, and you will feel that you are going to die if you stay there for a moment. So this is the main thing from my side. Thank you.